For those still trying to make a decision between an iPhone 12 or an iPhone 12 Pro, we picked up both models and in our latest YouTube video, did a hands-on comparison between them. Our video highlights the similarities and the differences so you can which one is the best fit for you and whether the iPhone 12 Pro is worth an extra $200. When it comes to design, the iPhone 12 and 12 Pro are the exact same size with the same OLED display, but the iPhone 12 Pro has a higher quality stainless steel frame and matte glass back while the iPhone 12 uses an aluminum frame and a glossy glass back. The iPhone 12 Pro's stainless steel is heavier and prone to fingerprints, but it looks higher end, while the iPhone 12 is noticeably lighter and comes in a wider variety of colors: blue, red, green, white, and black versus graphite, silver, blue, and gold for the Pro. There are also 3 cameras and a lidar scanner on the iPhone 12 Pro, while the iPhone 12 features a dual-lens camera setup. The iPhone 12 has the exact same wide and ultra-wide lenses available on the 12 Pro, but it lacks a telephoto lens and of course, the lidar scanner. The loss of the telephoto lens isn't a huge deal unless you frequently used it for zoomed-in 2x photos, but most people probably stick primarily to the wide lens. The lidar scanner is a bit more of a loss because it does bring improvements to low-light photography, enabling night mode portraits and speeding up autofocus when lighting is poor, but that's not going to matter to people who primarily take daytime photos. The lidar scanner has used for augmented reality apps because it can provide an accurate depth scan of the area around you, plus it can do things like measuring a person, but these are somewhat niche uses that most people can likely do without. If you don't care about our apps and just want a camera that's going to take great photos in standard lighting conditions, the iPhone 12 Pro probably isn't worth the upgrade. Both iPhones use the same A14 chip, but the iPhone 12 Pro has 6GB RAM while the iPhone 12 has 4GB RAM. You're not going to notice a huge difference in 6GB versus 4GB RAM in everyday use, but it's something to keep in mind and could be a reason for those who want the maximum performance and device longevity to upgrade. Storage is a consideration when choosing which iPhone to buy. The $799 iPhone 12 only has 64GB storage, which may not meet some people's needs. Upgrading to 128GB costs another $50, putting you at $850, which narrows the gap a bit between the iPhone 12 and the iPhone 12 Pro, which has 128GB at the entry-level $999 price point. We're still talking about an extra $150 for the upgrade, but for those who pay monthly through a carrier or through Apple, it's less of a hit to the wallet and equates to somewhere around $6 per month, so it could be worth it to some to get the extra features by shelling out just a bit more money. OLED displays with ceramic shield, TrueDepth camera with Face ID and notch, 5G, battery life, water resistance, and A14 chip are available on both models, so there's less than ever before separating the standard iPhone 12 from the Pro model. Most people will be more than happy with the iPhone 12, but those who want maximum performance and better camera hardware in a 6.1-inch package should choose the iPhone 12 Pro. There is, of course, the iPhone 12 Pro Max coming with even better camera equipment, so those who are interested in the Pro for the camera upgrade will need to decide if the further Pro Max upgrade is worthwhile, which is something we'll explore in a future video when the entire iPhone 12 lineup is available. We have a buyer's guide that goes into even more detail on the differences between the iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro if you want to supplement the video. Plus we have detailed iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro roundups with everything you need to know about each phone, both of which are worth checking out if you're still undecided. Did you choose an iPhone 12 Pro over an iPhone 12? Let us know why in the comments.